Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to introduce you to Tubebuddy. There's a link in the description below if you want to sign up. It's a free sign up, and it's a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge. And if you're running a YouTube channel, Tubebuddy is a must. I've been using it for years, and then I stopped using it, and things got more difficult on YouTube. With Tubebuddy installed on my Firefox browser, I'm going to show you some things you can do with Tubebuddy. Here, this is really important here. Advanced keyword research. So let's go to a video I published a couple years ago. So let's go to keywords. Let's take a name. All right. This is how it's all. Optimizing your name of your video is one of the most important things next to a good tag to catch people's attention. So I want to show you how this keyword explorer works. So click on it. Put the name of your channel or your name of your video in there and explore. And I'll tell you the ranking. This one here gets a very good. That's why there's almost 500,000 views on that video, because I got a real good name. Now let's try some different names in here. So I'm using, this is called, let's go back to home here. Let's go beautiful transition using mass text. Let's give it a Vegas Pro and see what happens here. Let's try it again now. Still very good. But let's try something different here. Let's go highlight. Let's go text vect. Yes. Pro. Let's see what this one comes up as. Poor. See, this is where Tubebuddy comes in real handy. This is just one feature Tubebuddy has. There's so many features to help your channel grow fast on YouTube. So, and look at this. Just changing the words here. Text effect Vegas Pro. It's still a text effect, but it's getting a super poor rating. The search is not bad, but your competition is poor, and optimization strength is actually pretty good. But you get an overall rating of poor. So let's try the pricing here. I'm on $9 a month membership, pro membership. There is actually a free membership. You don't have to pay anything. Just sign up and start using Tubebuddy. But one of the real cool features on Tubebuddy, I'll show you this other feature here, is when you're doing tags. Tags are sometimes one of the most tedious things you'll ever do with YouTube videos. And with here, you see these rankings here, 11, 10. These are really good. These are really good rankings. That's why these videos got almost 500,000 views, because all these tags in you are optimized for the video. So let's go to suggested. So here we give you all the different suggested tags. And all you have to do to insert these tags, instead of typing in manually, all you do is click, and they're all inserted manually. Automatically. I'll touch more on Tubebuddy in the future. This is a real important thing for your channel if you want your channel to grow. If you're serious about doing business on YouTube, check out Tubebuddy. Once again, links in the description below. I'll touch on more of what Tubebuddy can do, but I just want to share this tip with you guys. If you're serious about building your YouTube channel up, get Tubebuddy. You will not be sorry. Once again, I'll touch on more of the features on Tubebuddy in future videos. But if you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.